So what if you could have a marine biologist just sitting in your pocket? Well, today we're going to talk about an app called FishWise. It's an AI-powered tool that's trying to completely change how we look at the seafood on our plate and even the fish on our line. And it all starts with just a single photo.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're staring at a fish, maybe you just reeled it in, or maybe you're trying to decide if it's dinner, and you just draw a complete blank. What is this thing? Is it even okay to eat?
And then the questions just start piling up. Is it freshwater, saltwater? Is it a sustainable choice? And oh my gosh, how are you even supposed to cook it? It's that moment of total uncertainty that really hits everyone, from seasoned fishermen to home cooks just trying something new.
And in that moment, you don't have time to sift through a dozen websites or flip through some dusty old field guide. You need good, reliable answers, and you need them right now.
This is the exact problem that FishWise was built to solve. I mean, imagine having a marine biologist, a nutritionist, and a master chef all packed into your phone, ready to go at a moment's notice. That's really the big idea here.
The easiest way to think about it? It's like Shazam, but for fish. FishWise is this really smart AI app that takes a single photo and instantly gives you the species, a full nutritional breakdown, and even tells you the best way to cook it.
And using it is unbelievably simple. First, you just snap a photo of the fish. Then the app's AI gets to work, using some pretty sophisticated computer vision to analyze that picture against its huge database. And then, boom, within seconds, you get this complete, super detailed profile right there on your screen.
But the app gives you so much more than just a name. The profile it generates really takes you on a journey, all the way from the photo you just took to the meal you're about to put on your plate.
And the amount of data you get is just incredible. You get the basics, of course, like its common name and where it lives, but it goes way deeper, giving you a full nutritional panel, calories, protein, and those all-important omega-3s. And then you get to my favorite part, the culinary guide. It actually suggests cooking methods, offers up recipes, and even gives you little prep tips.
And this quote really hits the nail on the head. This app isn't just about showing off some flashy new tech, it's about using that technology to help us reconnect with all that traditional knowledge about our food and where it actually comes from.
Okay, but what happens if you're out on a boat in the middle of nowhere with no signal? They thought of that. See, you need a connection to identify a new fish, but the app automatically saves every single result right on your phone. That means your whole history of identified fish is there for you, completely offline, anytime you need it.
A feature like that really shows you this app was built for people out in the field. But its audience is surprisingly broad. It stretches way beyond just the fishing community.
Of course, you've got the obvious users, anglers on the water, and chefs in the kitchen. But then you have all the learners, students and teachers using it as a digital field guide. And you even have just regular folks, curious shoppers at the fish market who just want to make a smarter choice for dinner.
But what really speaks to the app's huge ambition is this number right here. This is the part that actually blew me away. We're not talking 10 languages, not 20. FishWise is built for a truly global audience, with support for over 100 different languages.
And let's be clear, this is not just some simple copy-paste translation job. No way. We are talking about deep, meaningful localization, culturally specific names for fish, regional recipes, and proper script support, whether you're reading in Hindi or Arabic. The whole goal is for the app to feel like it was made for you, no matter where you are in the world.
And when you build a tool that has that kind of global reach, its value goes way beyond just satisfying our curiosity. It starts to have a much bigger, much more positive impact on the world.
This impact really breaks down into three huge areas. First, there's education. It basically puts a marine biology textbook right in your pocket. Second, sustainability. It gives you the information you need on population health and fishing practices to make really responsible choices. And third, conservation. Because by making the marine world more understandable, it helps build a deeper desire to protect.
And, in this day and age where data privacy is everything, it's really important to point out that the app uses an offline-first approach. Your identification history, your photos, your data stays on your device. It doesn't just get uploaded to some random server.
So, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that FishWise isn't just a fun little toy. It's a powerful tool for empowerment. It gives anyone, whether you're an angler, a chef, or a student, the knowledge to make smarter decisions and connect more deeply with the world around us.
And that kind of leaves us with a pretty fascinating question, doesn't it? As AI gets smarter and becomes more a part of our daily lives, tools like FishWise are really just the beginning. So how will this kind of technology continue to shape and hopefully improve our relationship with the natural world? Thanks for diving in with me on this explainer.